Pennsylvania has the fourth largest veteran population with just under 800,000 living across the state. Under the recently passed Honoring Our PACT Act, more than half of those veterans and many others will become eligible for expanded health care through the VA. Fox 43's Logan Perrone joining us now after speaking with the Pennsylvania Department of Military and Veteran Affairs, as well as local veterans.
Alyssa, the legislation is going to give assistance to many veterans who have been waiting for decades for help. Both the state DMVA and former service members we spoke with say they hope this will bring more awareness to available service. Hundreds of thousands of PA veterans could soon get health care they could not previously receive. The Honoring Our PACT Act, recently passed by the U.S. Senate, will expand eligibility of VA health care to veterans with toxic exposures.
If you were denied service connectivity for an illness that you may have thought you encountered while you were in the military, if those illnesses are now on this list of presumptives, you may now be entitled to benefits.
Among the list of presumptives are more than a dozen cancers and a wide range of other diseases.
You could have asthma, bronchitis, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, rhinitis, chronic sinusitis. I mean, all of those now are presumptive for Gulf War veterans, which never existed.
The bill also adds more presumptive exposure locations for Agent Orange and radiation, and requires the VA to provide a toxic exposure screening to every veteran enrolled in VA healthcare. Veterans at Just for Today, a nonprofit supporting current and former military members, say they hope the passage of this bill brings more awareness to local help.
The VA does a good job at giving care to our veterans, but not everything is always looked at. There's things that are neglected.
People don't understand how much support there is in your county.
General Weigel says PA Vet Connect is a great way for former members of the military to find out if they're eligible for aid.
Reach out to your veteran service officers at your county offices, at your veteran service organizations.
Something Corporal Young says is most effective.
The most power that we have is local, in our community, grassroots stepping up, taking care of each other.
Now, the PACT Act was passed by the U.S. Senate last week and is expected to be signed into law tomorrow. Local resources for veterans such as JFT and PA Vet Connect can be found on our website, fox43.com. Logan Perrone, Fox 43 News.